What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix no signals issue in your Xiaomi phone. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button. Now swipe down this circle, and when the circle gets green, then you can lift up your finger from the screen to restart your phone. And after restarting, the signals issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then swipe down, and from here open quick settings, and in quick settings turn on flight mode, and then wait for 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back off. So after turning on and off flight mode, it will refresh the signals, and then the no signal issue will be fixed. But after this, if you are still facing the issue, then open settings, tap on more connectivity options, and then scroll down, and here tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth. Now tap on reset settings, and then enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern to confirm. So here when you will enter the pin, password or pattern, then it will reset your mobile's network settings back to default, and after that the no signal issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix no signals issue on your Xiaomi phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.